I am going to show you how easy it is to make some no-knead dinner rolls. Yes, no need. No need to knead. Anyway, it all starts with 1/3 cup of nice warm water. Not hot. Never hot, you will kill your yeast. So 1 1/3 cups of nice hot water. Now you're going to want to use, if you're using bulk yeast like I am, which is the best way to buy it, then you're going to use 1 tablespoon of that. But if you are using the packets of yeast, you're going to want to use 2 packs for this. So I'm going to use 1 tablespoon and about a half, okay, of yeast. Put it right into that warm water. Then I'm going to take, you want to feed your yeast because we're going to proof this. So we're going to put a little bit of sugar in there. And then we're just going to give this a little mix. Okay? We're going to leave that set for 10 minutes. And when it gets frothy, I'll be back and we'll fix the rest up. Okay, friends, see how this does? You know it's activated when it starts to foam and froth up like that. Beautiful. Okay, and that's nice and warm still. Okay, so with that, we've got our 4 cups of flour, and we're going to put a 1/4 cup of sugar in that, and we're going to put a little dash of salt in there, about a 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and we're going to whisk this up a little bit, okay? Because then we're going to pour it in our big bread bowl. Oh, my heavy, big bread bowl. All right, we're pouring it in there. Let me put this back on. And we are going to crack the egg in here. Nice, big, large egg. Oh, I need my other. Okay, and we're going to start mixing this up before we put the yeast to it. Just kind of mix that up a little bit. And there, you can barely see that. Let me see if I can't move you closer here. There, now you can see it. Okay, now you can see that real good. The egg is all in there. All right, now we're just going to pour our yeast right in there. All right. And we're going to mix that up. That was, I did tell you that was 1 1/3 cups of water, a tablespoon and a 1/2 of yeast, and a teaspoon of sugar. That all went in that mixture right there. Okay, so we got this mixed up here. Now let me get my little spatula because I don't want to waste any butter. Now we got 5 tablespoons of melted butter. If you were going to knead this, you wouldn't need to have the butter melted. Just soft would do. But we're not kneading this, so we want it all mixed in real good. Okay? Okay, so we're going to mix that up. And that is really nice. Okay, see that? And you may have to get your hands in there. I'm not gonna. This is mixing pretty good. But if you want, just put on a pair of gloves or your bare hands. It don't matter. Okay, that's mixed up real good in there. See that? Mixed up real nice. Okay, I'm going to put a little bit, maybe, try this again. I'm going to put a little bit of olive oil in here. I'm going to mash that around. All right, this is going to go back in there because this is going to rise up. I guess I'm getting my hands in there anyway. Okay. Now I'm going to put a little towel over this, a little tea towel Oh, I knocked the camera. I'm sorry. I'm going to put a little tea towel over this. And I'm going to put this in my oven with the light on. My camera's moving. I'm going to put this in my oven with the light on with a little tea towel over it and let it rise for 1 hour. So when that's all set and risen up, I'll be back. Okay, friends, we are back, and my dough has doubled in size. Doesn't look like it, but it did. It's a good size, and we're just going to punch it down. See it go down? All right. Okay, now what we're going to do with this, and it's sticky. It's still sticky. Is we're going to roll this in balls. And like I always tell you, I put mine in muffin tins. So I'm going to put one in each muffin tin. Just kind of roll it. Try and make them the same size. This is a nice dough. Throw it in there. I don't know how many it's going to make. Just depends on what size I got here. Maybe a little more. These will rise up beautiful. Alright, I'm going to keep right on going with this and get these all filled up. And then I'm going to bake them at 350 degrees. I'm not going to let them rise a second time. I'm just going to roll them up in here, bake them for 350 degrees. And then when I'm done and they're done, I'll be back and I'll show you how nice they turned out. Okay, friends, I needed to stop and tell you that you need to brush the tops with a little bit of melted butter. Nothing fancy. Just be careful. Oh, there's my oven. It's getting ready. It is ready. So we'll fling these all in there, and these will turn out beautiful. Then I'll have a little bit of butter for when they come out. I can butter up the tops again. So there you have it. We're going to get it in the oven, and I'll be back when they're done in 20 minutes. Okay, friends, I just got these out of the oven. I'm just going to brush them with a little bit of butter. Ooh, there's wonderful. And they're hot. Hot, hot, hot. I'm taking these tomorrow to the birthday party for my granddaughters. So these will be wonderful. Unless my husband gets to them, then I'll have to make more. You know, that's all right. I would. All right, friends, there you have it. I'm not going to pull, well, maybe I can pull one out of there. Show you how it turned out. This is why, this is hot, but this is why I so like muffin cups. Look at that beautiful roll. Okay, we're going to see how it looks inside. Oh, look at that. Absolutely gorgeous. Just nice and soft and fluffy, and it's screaming hot on my fingers. But I'll try a little piece. Very good dinner roll mix. Very good. All right, friends. I'm sorry my mouth is full and it's hot. Hang on. Anyway. All right, there you have it. Give these a try. These are fantastic. And I'm also going to put this recipe in my cookbook for you. So there you have it. Thanks for watching.